Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy, Hunter the Sith, and welcome to the magnificent world of Five Nights at Freddy's VR. What's good, Foxy? How do you meet? What's good, gang? Bonnie, Freddy, Chica. Oh, yeah. Bonnie, Freddy, Chica, Foxy. What's good? I should probably do my... Hold on. My side. There we go. But yeah, welcome to part 5. It's crazy how far we made it, but welcome to part 5. Now if you may have noticed, it is the 13th.
Congratulations.
What's good? What's good, Glitch Trap? Let me eat my snack. Hold on, are we recording? My audio? Yeah, my audio's still on. Alright. Okay, I don't care. I don't care, hand unit. Showtime still does not work. Anyways, I'm gonna make it really quick from the intro, but what's good, Mr. Glitch Trap? But anyways, I just want to say that Help Wanted 2, it is the 13th, and Help Wanted 2 is coming out tomorrow. So right now I'm trying to upload all of these videos today, or try to upload all of these videos today, so I can beat Help Wanted just for Help Wanted 2. No, I'm not going for the extra ending. No, I'm not looking for everything until maybe I might come back to this maybe to look for everything else, but no, but like we're just replaying the game until Help Wanted 2. That doesn't mean I'm not gonna replay it again. I probably will not restart, but like continue where I left off. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best to beat every game just for the hype of Help Wanted 2 that is coming out tomorrow. If you guys do not have Help Wanted 2 on your Steam wishlist, make sure to go at it and other stuff. I'm also gonna crank up some other videos, like or a live stream part 2 and 3 of my predictions before the game comes out, and then I don't know why I couldn't press the Showtime button, and then any other stuff that. Oh, also, if you've been seeing on my channel, I've been posting about, you know, a countdown for Help Wanted 2, and I just finished making the 0 days one. I'll show a little sneak peek image. Boom, here you go. But I just finished the 0 days until Help Wanted 2, so that's dropping tomorrow also. But yeah, that's all I gotta say is I'm gonna upload all of these videos today. I'm gonna try to upload all these videos today, and I'm gonna do a live stream of Help Wanted 2. There was gonna be another one I was gonna make, like, oh, what achievements we'll get in Help Wanted 2, or what cool achievements there will be. But I don't know if I'll make that one. We'll see though. But yeah, there's Mr. Glitchman. But enough talking. Mr. Glitch Trap. Enough talking. We're to part 5. Let's see. So what did we do? We did for part 4. We beat all of FNAF 3. I remember we beat all of FNAF 3 on part 4. We're still stuck on Funtime Foxy and Dark Rooms. Beat all of Parts in Service. No, we didn't. We didn't beat all of Parts in Service. So that'll be later. So we have Vent Repair left, Night Terrors left, and FNAF 1. So I say part 5. Let's do all of Vent Repair. Which is only just 2, so I mean, all of Vent Repair, I guess. Oh, I remember Mangle. I remember Mangle in 2019, guys. That was a crazy year with this. Wasn't there coins here? I don't remember if there was. Oh, whoa. Oh, there's a tape! Got that. Is there any Easter eggs? Coins? No coins? Alright.
Welcome to Vent Repair. Fazbear Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities.
I grabbed something.
Each facility is set to a perfect 72 degrees all the time.
I don't know what I'm grabbing.
4 active indicator lights mean we have a
lights. Indicators.
Your headlamp should protect you from any critters who may have stumbled into the ducts.
Alright.
As a certified
I'm ready.
technician, you should need no instruction. However, in case of an emergency, it is important to remember that as the vent technician, you should never, under any circumstances, attempt to...
Alright. Crap, I forgot how scary this was. Alright, let's come on. Alright. I remember playing this in 2019, but I'm ready. Okay. Come on, Mangle. I know you're there. Oh, I hit my mic. Right? That was my mic? Yeah. Hit my mic. Whoops. Come on, Mangle. I know you're there. Oh, what's good? What's good? Okay. Is there a coin up here? No, there's not. Okay. No coin. I thought there was a coin in this level. Right? Wasn't there? I should... There you are. I should probably be paying attention right now. So, flip. Lever. Come on. Come on. Lever. Flip up. So, indicator light 2. Go, 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 go. Head back. Okay. Valve. Valve. Go back. Button. Okay. And then, what? Other... What? Huh? Wait, what? Wait, where's the... Go back, go back. Oh, there. Lift. Lift! Up! Okay, this one. How am I gonna... Oh, there. Orange, blue, green, red, orange, blue. Go! Mangle. Green, red, orange, blue. Okay. Flip. Come on. Where are you? Okay. Flip. I hate. Stop getting. Oh my god. Stop. I did it. Hand unit.
A perfect 72 degrees.
But there was a.
See you next time.
I thought there was a coin. Wait, there's not? I thought there. All right, I must be. I must be like tripping because like I thought there was. But okay. What's this? Oh snap! It's Freddy Fudge Bar. Give me that good stuff, man. Give me my Freddy Fudge Bar.
Congratulations! It appears you have been.
Oh, he's gone.
To additional holiday content.
Glitch Trap's gone.
Press the special button
Alright.
in the candy pail to enter the Halloween.
Nerd. Oh god, what's this one gonna be about? What is this? What is grab and release, push buttons, make repairs. Okay, what is this one gonna be about? Oh, what? Oh, whoa, wait, whoa. Are we in the elevator? From Cisco location? Wait.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental.
Oh, we are.
It has been 0 days since last incident.
What in the
Emergency
world?
ventilation repairs may be necessary to
Whoa.
replace the boiler
My
room
headphones are
on
gonna
subway
fall.
G.
Whoa.
We apologize for the claustrophobic accommodations
Whoa.
in the secondary service elevator.
Okay.
The third of the
I'm
main
about to.
elevator is well above your pay grade. Now, let's get to work.
I'm about to be sick. Na 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 na. Is there any coins anywhere? Tapes? No. Ba 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 bum 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 bum. All right. What are we doing?
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Okay. What are we doing in the? What? Oh wait. What's wires? Wait. What? That one. Then that one. No, you connect to that.
Well done.
That was easy. That one's easy. Okay. So it's like connecting wires and stuff. That one's easy. That one's really easy. Is there any tape? Am I gonna die? Am I? Oh, you're over there. So this one, and then you're there. You're. Wait. Oh, and then
Well done.
easy, easy, beat you. I'm guessing we're facing Ennard. I think we're facing Ennard, right? Ennard? Oh snap! Wait, there he is. No, wait. No, Ennard. Ennard. Ennard, stay. Ennard. 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 Stay, Ennard. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh no, I'm dead. Oh, I see him! Oh my god, please, entered. Green.
Well done.
Oh my god. Okay. What's good, Edward? You frick? That frick think he can get me? He's got... That frick really actually thought he can get me. That actually was terrifying, though. I saw him for like a split second. Why did I hear the door sound? Whoa. What in the world? Like, I don't remember that much of Help Wanted. Like, because it's been a while since, like, 2019, but, like... Dude, what in the... Ba 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 ba. What? Gears?
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
I'll take, I guess. It's not. Wait. Wait, crap, wait. Huh? Wait. And then... Wait, I'm so confused. What do we do? Wait. Oh, Ennard, please don't get me. Oh, I see you! No! No! No, 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 no! Oh, fast coin! Fast coin! Where? Big gear? In... Small gear? No, wait! Small gear... Big... What? Oh my god. Hold on. No, Ennard. Wait, what? Ennard. What? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, he's gonna jump scare me. Oh, he's gonna... Oh, I'm dead. No, wait. I'm not dead. Hold on, wait. I knew it. I hate you. Alright, I guess I'll meet you guys back once we reach to...
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental.
I guess I'll meet you guys back when we get to the Ennard part. Alright, we're back. Come on. So what? What light? Wait. Crap. Hold on. Oh my god, no! Stop! Okay, hold on. Don't look behind you. Already did. Freaking...
Welcome
Don't
to
care.
Circus Baby's Entertainment.
I don't care.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Okay. Come on. Okay. Second, okay. So...
Well done.
Alright, that one's easy. And this one. It's this one and the Ennard one that just hurts me because there's so many wires. So, like... Okay, so no. No.
Well done.
Okay. That one's easy. And then it's the cogs. It's the cogs. Centered wires. here. That one. Oh no. Wait. Okay. That one. Entered. Please don't get me. I don't want you to jump scare me.
Well done.
Okay. Saved. Saved. Okay. Looks good. Goodbye. I don't know why you make me jump. Button, please, button, please, button, please. Please, button, please. Please, button, please. Please, please, please. Okay. It's... What do I gotta do with the cogs? So there's a cog here. So we get a cog there. I mean, I got a Faz coin. That's all that also mattered. All that also mattered. But, like, what do I need? Do I need something than just a cog? Ba bam 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 bam. Dum 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 dum. Bum 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 bum. Ba 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 bum bum. All right, so I think. Wait.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
Oh no, wait. You here. Oh, yeah, so you there. Then there. So then. And then. But wait, what do you do? Huh? Hold on. Okay. You make another one? I'm like confused. Do you make another cog? Oh crap, energy. I hate this part. I hate everything about this. I'm just not understanding. Purging system. Cool. I don't care. I'll meet you guys back when we get to that part. That's how much I hate it. But I'll meet you guys
Welcome to Circus
back.
Babies Entertainment and Rental.
Don't look me.
Welcome to Circus Babies Entertainment and Rental.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
I can't do this. Hold on. Where am I? I don't know. In a VR experience. God, just one more try.
Welcome to Circus Babies.
I don't want to give up like Funtime Foxy. I actually want to get through this. This one's so hard that I can't get through this level.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Well done.
So it's legit just paying attention to the wires. That's all it is. But this one's gonna get me. here. Oh my god.
Well done.
Okay. So this one is gonna be easy because I can concentrate to the wires. You concentrate to the wires. It's the stupid gear one I don't get. Like what? What are we trying to do? What are we trying to do with the gears? I don't know what we're trying to do with the gears. What are we doing with the gears? What are we doing with the gears? The gears. The gears, gears, gears. Is there any gears? I want to look.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
Okay. So enter it here. And then we replace. Oh no, wait. Hold on. No, you don't work, because your conveyor belt is stupid. Oh! What's up, Ennard? So, what's the point of the conveyor? I don't get this. Please. Is there supposed to be another gear here? Where? Oh, I don't get this one though. Oh my god, I'm dead. Because now that I finally understood. Okay, get this. I understand now, but I died. Okay, I understand. So that's a good thing that I understand. And I understand the wires now. So, yeah, I will meet you back, guys, to the gear that I finally understand. So I'll meet you guys back. Oh, crap. So here. Here. So enter here, I mean there's. Okay. And that one's gonna be here all the way.
Well done.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Probably like. Okay. My question, I should understand this more. Am I still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. Come on. Okay. I understand the gears more. Okay. Hopefully we can now beat this faster, since I understand. Okay. So cog here. Come on.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
Come on. Drop. Okay. Wait. Oh.
Well done.
Oh my god, I did it! Where are you, Ennard? Stupid animatronic, where are you? Frickin' pile of scraps! Fucking hate you, dude. Any tapes? Any tapes? Any tapes? Nope, no tapes. That's good. God, I can't wait for Help Wanted 3. Why am Help Wanted 3? Why did I say Help Wanted 3? Help Wanted 2. That'd be cool if they made a third one, but like, why am I hearing the FNAF 3 freaking I should get an Oculus Quest. That's my thing. I should get an Oculus Quest. Bam, bam, bam. What in the world is this? What was... Huh?
Motion trigger. Boiler room.
Game... What? What are these... Huh? Connect the dots? Wait. I'm... entered? I'm so confused of what to do. What? Are we supposed to... Dude, don't tell me I'm gonna die on this just because I don't know what...
Well done.
Oh! Okay, that's... Okay, what are we connecting pieces? I barely remember. What in the... And then... 2? Wait. What? This is so... Wait. Maybe? Oh, 1. 1? What? Huh? I'm so...
Well done.
Okay, I guess I'm understanding a little bit. What are we doing? So 3. So... 3 right here, I guess? Is that a face? Is that a furnace? Oh. Oh, that's a furnace. Oh, we're burning Ennard!
Well done.
Wait,
Perfect. 72 degrees.
we're burning him!
See you next time.
Nah! That's all. That was fire. Get it? Fire? Get the joke? Get the joke? Fire? Alright, I'm gonna shut up. Please don't get me in plush trap for this. Freddy! Original Freddy too! Oh my god, I almost knocked something over. My favorite! Oh yeah. I had to eat him, bro. I had to eat him. Well, guys, that concludes.
Congratulations. It appears you have
What's
been
good?
granted
Yeah, 11 tokens.
original
11.
holiday
What's good,
content.
Mr.
Press
Glitch?
the special button in the candy pail to
Um,
enter the Halloween hub.
Well, guys,
Keep in mind
that
this
concludes our
is more than a festive holiday
part 5
which has absolutely no hidden intent.
of FNAF
Have fun.
VR Help Wanted. Yeah, that concludes part 5. We got snacks. We got Freddy, the main man, Freddy himself. Look at him. Look at my boy. Look at my boy, Freddy Fazbear. We got Freddy Fazbear, the big man himself. Look at him. Look at him. Yeet! Oh, he fell. There he is. There's Freddy, right there. You can a little bit see him. He's right there. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. There's gonna be lots of editing I have to do with this video, but that's gonna be it for today's video of FNAF VR Help Wanted. Again, I will be uploading lots, so part 6 will be coming out today, 7, 8, and 9. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, give me notifications, and I'll see you all next time. And I'll see you all on Help Wanted 2 when that comes out tomorrow. But yeah, see you all next time. Bye!